Today we discuss about the arithmetic series, a sequence in which every term is created by adding or subtracting a definite number to the preceding number is an arithmetic sequence. Suppose the first term of the series is A and the common difference is D. Then the general series is given by summation of un is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus n minus 1D. This is called arithmetic series where A is the first term and the common difference can be obtained by A plus D minus A, which is equal to D, A plus 2D minus A plus D, which is equal to D. So common difference is always same if we difference the second term by first term by the second term, third term by the fourth term, and so on. The nth term of the series Tn is given by, this is the nth term of the given series, A plus n minus 1D. Let us take one example, how to find the nth term of the given series. Let us find the nth term of the series 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. Here, the first term A is equal to 7. Here, the first term A is equal to 7. And the common difference is 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. Similarly, 13 minus 10, which is equal to 3. So, D can be obtained by subtracting first term by second, second by third, third by fourth, and so on. Now, we know that Tn, nth term of the given series is A plus n minus 1D. A is equal to 7, and the common difference D is equal to 3. If we simplify it, 7 plus 3n minus 3, 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. Hence, Tn is equal to 3n plus 4. This is the nth term of the given series. So if we have given such type of series, then we are able to find out the nth term of the given series. This type of series will come when we test the convergence of the given series. Let us take one more thing about the sum of first n terms of arithmetic series. Let first term of arithmetic series is A and common difference is D. Then sum of first n term Sn is given by Sn is equal to n upon 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1d. For example, let us try to find out the sum of n terms of the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. Here, the first term is 1 and the common difference is 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So common difference is 2. Let us apply this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. If we apply this formula, then a is equal to 1. First term is 1. Common difference is 2. Let us simplify this term. 2 into 1 is 2. This n minus 1 into 2 is 2n minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will cancel. Now, this 2 and 2 will also cancel. So we have n into n is equal to n square. Here, the sum of first n term of the given series is n square. Thank you, dear friends.